Hello students. So today let's solve one more numerical. It's given as the inductance and capacitance of a line are 1 Henry and 0.01 microfarad. If the instantaneous value of interrupted current is 10 amperes, the voltage across the breaker contacts will be. So another short question that basically came in gate. So you have to remember the formulas, that's it, nothing else. So here the instantaneous value of interrupted current is given as I is equals to 10 amperes. Inductance, that is L is equals to 1 Henry, and capacitance is C is equals to 0.01 microfarad. So they are asking find out the voltage across the breaker contact. So it is very easy. Already we know that these kinds of formulas we have done in the past also. So the voltage across the breaker contacts represented by V, what will be? That will be equals to I. V is equals to I into square root of L by C. So substitute the values. Therefore I is 10 amperes, that is 10. Square root of, in place of L you substitute 1 Henry, that is 1, divide by capacitance is 0.01 microfarad, so convert it into farad. So it will be 0.01 into 10 to the power minus 6. So if we do it, it will be 100 kV. So we can expect this type of short questions to come from power systems in GATE for 1 or 2 marks. But you have to remember the formulas. Okay, thank you.